Hi everybody, welcome along to this flip through of my latest handbag journal. There it is. It looks so cute, doesn't it? It really does. So you can carry it along with you. I wouldn't recommend taking it to the nightclub, although honestly, if I had to go to a nightclub, well, I can't think of anything worse, but if I had to go, I would prefer to take this with me so I could do something when I was there. I wouldn't have to, dread the thought of dancing. However, here it is, and on the front we've got lots and lots of frou-frou here and some nice shiny trim along the top. And in the centre we've got this lovely peony that I've sewn some lace around, some cream lace around, and it's on a magnet, so it lives there if you want it to live there, or if not, you can take it off, put a magnet somewhere else, put it on your bathroom mirror, whatever, it'll stick, it's magnetized, and then you can have it for always. I've put a couple of charms on at the bottom. One's a little handbag and one's a key, so they're nice to have. I'll just take that off whilst I walk through. So it's got this nice strap on. Excuse me. It's got cotton twill trim on it, so it's quite sturdy. So you don't need to worry about that cracking or anything. And then as we open it up, you can see I've used these beautiful Chapter 1 antique florals. They're beautiful. And here we go. This is page 1. It's got a fabric ruffle down the side and some cream lace, so it's quite a nice ruffle. Then we go in, that's another design sheet there. Now here we have, I don't know whether to take all these out to show you. I think I'll just give you a hint as to what's inside. We've got this beautiful linen ribbon here held on a pink bulldog clip, piece of Edith Holden wallpaper, some embossed parchment, that is, with a rose design from Lorna Taylor's PNG kit, and some embossed watercolour paper in a beautiful, that's a beautiful colour, soft beigey colour. And then on the other side we've got obviously the other side of the linen trim, and a collection of things held together with this pink ribbon and a paper clip with some green trim on it, a fussy cut of a flower, some more of that linen that you might want to use when you're putting your journal together, some design paper that's been embossed, and some beautiful, beautiful cream lace. I hope you can see that in enough detail. It's really, really nice, good quality. So you've got all those things there that you can add to this journal if you're going to make this journal up. I really do think that you've got more than enough to make this journal up. You'll have enough to take over onto another journal. Another design sheet with a ruffle down it, and then on this page we've got a rose gold little, I don't know, kind of like a bulldog clip. It's just so cute. Some trim, twill trim, some parchment, beautiful quality parchment paper. This is a design page. This is onto handmade paper. Image from the Graphics Fairy. I think it's upside down actually, but never mind. Another one of Lorna's PNGs on embossed parchment. And then some rice paper. Now this is a design page from the kit, but it's onto rice paper and it's so light and delicate. It's beautiful. And just a little bit of ribbon tied to the end of that clip. And then on the other side we've got the remainder of the twill there. So it's a good length, you know, by the time you take it off you've got a good length of that, whether you want to go down pockets or whatever with it. Here we've got some, this is double length border, and it's parchment paper, vellum. It's gorgeous. Some really, really nice lace, and an embossed piece of cotton rag watercolour card, which is lovely. Really nice. Now here we've got some vellum that I've printed with a design sheet, and it's just so lovely. But you know, all of this is elasticated, so you can take out any page that you want. So you could take this out and make envelopes with it, or whatever, pockets, anything at all. It's really, really nice. And here we have a little glassine wrap around here with some washi on it, and it holds a fussy cut, a green doily, and some rice paper with design on it, and a piece of handmade paper, and it's held on with 2 paper clips. Then on here we've got some linen lace, a pink embossed border, some more of that design paper that's been embossed, and this, which is it's crochet lace, but it's so handy for pockets, this one. It's a really good one. Another design sheet, another ruffle, and then here we've got an embossed piece of card with a rose on it, 2 of these which are separate, so you can put anywhere you like in your journal, some more of that twill trim, and some satin ribbon, double-sided satin ribbon, held on with 2 pink paper clips with these green ribbon at the top. And then on the other side we've got our centre spread, and so you can see now the gold elastic that's keeping it all in place. So every single page you can move them around, you can take them out, you can do what you wish, because they'll all come out because they're elasticated. So here we have a vellum envelope with a fussy die cut on the front, and it's full of pink die cuts. Here we've got a parchment envelope, so you can use these in your journal, and it's got a white die cut on the front, and it's full of white die cuts, with a piece of trim there which holds this in place, which is another one of these beautiful flowers. Look lovely in your journal. Some more of that beautiful lace, it's really lovely. Some trim, and a piece of watercolour paper in this sort of colour, complements that very nicely. Design paper. Now here we've got a little vellum wrap, and it's got a Tim Holtz fussy cut in it. It's got some beautiful, fine, lovely quality gold lace, and then it's got some fabrics that you might want to use. It's got the green that I've used for the trim. It's got some white which you can print on beautifully. It's nice and fine, and it takes a good print, and some burlap, some hessian there. So I'm sure you can find a place for those. And it's all held on with this rose gold bulldog clip, which I absolutely love. Then on the back we've got some more of the pink border, embossed border, some more watercolour card embossed in a nice green that goes really well with the whole thing, and some rice paper with it's the design, it's the kit that I've printed onto rice paper, but it's so light, it's so beautiful. There's the other side of our parchment, gorgeous. And then here we come to this. It's held on with 2 pink bulldog clips. They're lovely, they're gorgeous. And we've got this big fussy cut. We've got this is a Lorna Taylor Tailor-Made Journals stamp in green. It's gorgeous. It's on parchment. Some of this lace, which, oh, look at that lace, it's so lovely. You'll enjoy using that in your journals, I'm sure. And then we've got this bag. It's a little glassine bag, and it's got some die cuts, it's got some fussy cuts, it's got a dragonfly. It's just interesting things in there that will decorate your journal really nicely. And here we've got the pink embossed watercolour paper, which matches the design pages, and another glassine bag. This one's got leaves in and a little lace butterfly. And here we've got another glassine bag, and this has got lots in it. It's got bits of hasn't got bits of stickers, it's got stickers in it, and labels, and a little wooden frame, and all sorts of interesting things for you to decorate, embellish your journal with. And this lovely double-sided satin ribbon. You can untie that and use that anywhere. There's one of the stickers here, and a really gorgeous piece of rice paper, and that's held on with a paper clip with some green trim on, which you can use as is, or you can take the green trim off and use it where you want to. Then on the other side, possibly my favourite page, I love it. This is parchment. It's not, it's vellum, and it's lovely thick vellum, and it's embossed, and I love when you emboss vellum that you get this gorgeous white edge to it. It's really pretty with a rose on. And then two little tags that I've printed onto and then painted over, so nice embellishment again. And I've added another little bit of this ruffle just in case you want to use it on a pocket top or whatever, so you've got it, and some of that gorgeous lace again. And that brings us to the end of that, and that's the back of the journal there. It's the same as the front, lots of frou-frou. It doesn't have the peony on because it's got the holder, and that just comes through there. It's on a magnet, so it clicks shut, and then you can reattach your peony, and there you have it. It's gorgeous. I really love it. I love this concept of giving you ideas. I'm not giving you a journal. It's not a finished journal. You can have all the fun of making it into a journal, because I hope I've curated quite successfully some things that you'd like to include in this. So if you buy it, have fun. I'm sure you will. Some lovely things in there, some really nice quality things. So this will be up on Etsy very soon, and thank you for watching. Bye.